Have you ever watched a YouTube video and thought, I wish I had this in text form? Maybe you want to turn it into notes, a blog post, or use AI Assistant to summarize it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the transcript from any YouTube video without having to download any tools or use third-party apps. YouTube has a brand new feature where you could scroll to the bottom of any YouTube video description and ask to see a copy of the entire transcript. Here you could scroll through and see the entire video as text, or you could click on any specific line to jump to that exact moment in the video. You can also choose to copy and paste all of this transcript as text in an external document. YouTube used to offer a feature where you could eliminate the timestamps when viewing the entire transcript. Unfortunately, this feature has been removed for now, but the best way to solve for that is to copy the transcript, paste it into your favorite AI assistant, and ask for the timestamps to be removed. You'll then have a complete text version of the entire video transcript without any timestamps. But wait, because there's more that you can do. The new YouTube Ask feature is one of the biggest shifts happening on the platform right now. It turns videos into something that you can now interact with instead of just watch. I can ask to summarize the video so that I could digest the content in smaller chunks. I can also be more specific and ask for just 5 bullet points to summarize this video. Or I could get help with my next steps. And if you want to repurpose the content in a video, you could always ask questions like, can you turn this video into a blog post? And perhaps my favorite feature, asking to identify specific timestamps where a word or phrase is used in the video. This feature is still being rolled out to all users, so if you don't see it yet, you will soon. Also, make sure you're signed in to your YouTube account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and newsletter for more helpful tips like this one.